Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image onto your web page and how to resize it. So let's say that I want to add an image to this page. So I'm going right above these paragraphs because I want to insert my image there. And I'm going to say less than sign, img for image. Then I can say src for source, then equals to and two quotation marks. So inside of the quotation marks, we are going to add the name of the image. And because we are using VS Code, I can type in dot / and it will show you all of your files. So I have an image called donut1.jpg. So I'm going to one click on it, and as you notice, it's going to add the image here. So now I'm going to close it by using the greater than sign, and that's it. We don't need to close the image tag. So we have an image here, all right? But you see, it's kind of huge, so we'll have to resize it. So I'm going to use two attributes. So this is how you use it, how you resize it with HTML. So we can say width equals to two quotations, and I can say 120, and height equals to two quotations, and then 120. And as you notice, we have an image there that is 120 by 120. All right. Now, there is another way that you can resize the images using CSS. So, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. So I'm going to get rid of this width and height, and I'm going to give this a class name. All right. So I can say class equals to, and then two quotation marks. So you can add a name to it. All right. I'm going to call it my images. All right. And inside of the head, so you see this is the head tag. Inside of it, I'm using some CSS. So inside of the style tag, and let me get rid of this CSS actually. So I'm gonna go to all the way to the top. So there's some styling here. So this is the opening of the style tag, and that's the end of it. So I can say, at the very end, it's still inside of the style tag. I can say dot and then add that class name. I think I named it my images, just like that. And you open two curly braces, right? So two curly braces. And right here, we can say width, colon, 120 pixels, and height by 120 pixels. So you see we have an image that's with the same image, but we are using CSS to resize it. And this is a better way to resize it, because now let's say that you have another image. So let's say that we have another image. So let me zoom out a little bit, and so you see I'm gonna copy this image and paste it right below it. So now you see if you add another image, it's going to be the same because the source right here is the same image name. But I have another image called donut2.jpg. So I'm gonna say donut2.jpg, and as you notice, when you change the source, it's going to change the image. So now you see it has the same size as of the first one, the first image. And that's because we are using the same class name. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. And now if you want to add more images, you can basically copy this line and paste it here again. And the only thing that you'll need to change is the source. So you see it's src, and you add the name of the image basically. So I'm going to change the name of the image to another image. So you see right here, one more thing before I leave. Right here, you see I have donut1.jpg. So you have to make sure that you type in the correct extension of your file type or the image type. For example, if it's a PNG file, you could have typed in .png. But you see now, because I don't have an image that's called donut1.png, I see this broken image. So make sure that you type in the correct file type, all right? So if it's a GIF, you can type in the name of the file .gif. And if it's JPG, you type in JPG. All right, so I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out, everyone.